TVJ News has been speaking with educators from several rural schools where either internet is either unstable or not available for entire communities, and in some instances at some of the schools. Now, some institutions say they will not be able to start teaching until next week. As a result, and even the alternative delivering schoolwork in communities has become a challenge with the 2 no movement days at the start of the school week. Krista Campbell reports.
No devices, no internet, and a host of other challenges for educators in some rural areas. Issues for the last school year brought forward with another bout of virtual learning. At Tatius Golding High in St. Catherine, the theft of internet cables from Point Hill interrupted school last year. And despite telecommunications company Flow now offering fiber connection, school administrators say it's not stable.
I don't have internet at home, which simply means that I have to be on the compound every day to conduct my classes.
At Glen Stewart Primary School in St. Elizabeth,
the school as well, we are having some challenges with our internet down there. So I'm not sure if we'll be going out to give work or online, but I know there'll still be a problem there. So I'm not sure. For the first week, I don't think we can do any work.
And then there's the issue of devices for the educators to teach. Some are still using their own personal device, while others who were given devices from the government or corporate sponsors say they are inadequate.
You have to use your own credit or pay your own bill. And sometimes, you personally are getting phone calls or texts. It interrupts the sessions when you're teaching.
We know that we have to write our lesson plans, submit the plans. For you to sit down with a tablet to type for such a long period of time, it's really a challenge for us as teachers, that's one. And then some of the activities that you want to plan for your students, we can't effectively execute these activities because we have to use the tablet.
Desmond Douglas, an information technology teacher at Tatius Golding High, is able to put together his own device from which to teach.
It's not a device, it is a device. I don't know what to call it. Being a technological person, you can put one and one together and you get something.
Then there's the challenge of teaching practical subjects like information technology and drama to students who do not have devices or have ones that are limiting.
Let's say you're teaching keyboarding. They don't have a physical keyboard, right? So there's a challenge there. You cannot teach real keyboarding on a tablet.
So say for instance, I'm teaching you about computers, right? And say specifically spreadsheet. And teaching you about the spreadsheet, I would be able to walk around, check the students' spreadsheet work and so forth. I'm unable to do that because my students don't have the machine. Sometimes I say, share your screen, let me see your screen. They are unable to share the screen.
They make masks at home. They do things at home with with props, right? And I send them to TikTok to make TikTok videos, things that they are comfortable doing.
And with absenteeism still a major challenge for students who cannot get online, schools are again using the option of delivering printed learning materials to students at home or a central point in their communities. This is one of the school buses that will be dropping off and picking up schoolwork to and from students who are unable to go online. But with 2 days out of the 5-day school week included in the lockdown, that's another challenge for school administrators.
We probably might have to get some here on the compound, put them into different rooms, and see if they can be a part of the online classes.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.